Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create scrolling timeline effect using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my InShot application and I'm going to create a new project. Okay, I need this blank clip. Alright, and wait, let me remove the watermark. Alright, the watermark has been removed, and then I'm going to create the scrolling timeline effect. I'm going to click on the text and then select text, and I'm going to make it scroll. Okay, we're going to use keyframe. I'm going to add first keyframe to this part like this, and I'm going to make it out of frame. And the last one, I'm going to put the keyframe here, and we can move the text up. Okay, and this is the result. And I'm going to export this video first. Okay, and then I'm going to import it to my project. Okay, I'm going to use this part again, and I'm going to go to the PIP and upload this scrolling timeline. Wait, let me check it. Alright, and make it full screen by clicking on this icon. And here I'm going to add mask. Okay, choose this mask, and I'm going to place it here and adjust the feather just a little bit, and it will create something like this guys. Okay, as you can see that the scrolling timeline effect has been created. And again, I'm going to adjust the feather and let me play it. Okay, not bad. And this is the final result. Okay, I'm gonna say it one more time. And okay guys, that's how we can create scrolling timeline effect using InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!